Multani Mitti makes a great face pack and can be combined with other ingredients to suit different skin types. It has both a cooling and tightening effect, helps reduce lines, wrinkles, and pigmentation while cleansing the skin. You can try products like Reshma Beauty Fuller's Earth Face Mask. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY face pack. You will need 1 teaspoon of Fuller Earth Powder, aluminium silicate, and Fuller's Earth absorbs excess oil from the skin. It also contains a lot of lime, which deeply cleanses the skin. Because it is high in magnesium chloride, Fuller's Earth eliminates dead skin and minimizes acne scars and blemishes. It also helps to calm inflamed skin by reducing inflammation. 1 teaspoon of rose water. Rose water is used in a lot of beauty products because of its ability to reduce the signs of aging. When applied to an area, rose water plumps the skin and improves the appearance of wrinkles. Rose water also tightens the skin, meaning that your skin looks firmer and more radiant. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Apply all over your face and neck. Wash if off with plain water.